Hello YouTube land, it's VPS Box Breaks here, and I went to go do another pack of 2018 Top Heritage Wrestling Value Pack. I already opened the pack already, so I'm going to show you what I got. Sorry if I sound a little bit off because I'm a little bit under the weather, and this is my second pack. I did my first one and I got a Randy Orton matte relic blue out of 50. So it's already been open, and I'm just going to show you what I got. So here it goes. Okay, so we got Rusev, Carl Anderson, okay, Gold Dust, Drew Gulak, COO Triple H, Drew McIntyre, Peyton Royce, Baron Corbin, Braun Strowman, a bronze Finn Balor, rookies Peter Dunne, Macho Man Tribute, teams of Mr. Perfect against Razor Ramon Ric Flair, number 22 out of 40. The Miz and the Miztourage, Kevin Owens and Sami Zayn, Gary Von Erich, Cowboy Bob Orton, Bam Bam Bigelow, Stone Cold Steve Austin, and that is it. Alright, YouTube land, and all you wrestling fans out there, thanks for watching. Until next time, have a good one. Bye for now.